This is Tammy, Evie, and Jinxie. And we are making an instructional video on how to latch hook. Welcome to our show. Today we are doing a beautiful butterfly latch hook. And first you start by putting the yarn as far away from your cat as possible.
And then I make the hold.
And then Evie holds the hook, and we push it through, boop, and latch it, pull it, woo! Do you see that? Ooh, ah.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. And at this pace, we should have it done by Christmas?
No.
When do you think we'll have it done?
By
Summer?
Yep.
Yep.
Summer done.
We'll see you next year.